The American dream. Open for business. America. Land of opportunity. Huge market. Everyone wants a piece. Want to close deals in New York City? Pitch your startup in Silicon Valley? Attend a conference in Las Vegas? You'll need a US business visa. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it seems. We'll break it down, step by step. First things first, let's get organized. Not all business trips are created equal. Each trip has its own unique requirements and goals. The US has different visas for different purposes. Understanding these can save you time and hassle. This is your standard business visitor visa, known as the B1 visa. It's good for attending meetings, conferences, and short-term training sessions. For traders, there's a specific visa designed just for you. You need to have a substantial trade relationship with the US to qualify for this one. Investors, this one's for you. The E2 visa is tailored for those making significant investments. It requires a significant investment in a US business, ensuring economic benefit. Make sure to pick the visa that matches your specific business goals and activities. Don't try to sneak in on the wrong one. It could lead to serious consequences. Checking the essentials. Before you apply, make sure you qualify. Each visa has specific requirements. A valid passport from your home country. Proof of your business purpose for visiting the US. Evidence of your financial stability. Ties to your home country, job, family, etc. Think you meet the requirements? Great. Let's move on to the application process. Section 4. Navigating the visa application maze. Ready for some paperwork? Let's dive in. Here's the step-by-step guide to make this process smoother for you. First, fill out Form DS-160. Be thorough and accurate. This form is crucial as it contains all your personal information and travel details. Second, pay the visa application fee. Remember, it's non-refundable, so double-check your application before making the payment. Third, schedule an appointment for your visa interview. Choose a date and time that works best for you. Fourth, gather all necessary documents. Bring your passport, application confirmation, fee receipt, and any supporting documents that may be required. Finally, during the interview, be confident, concise, and honest. Answer all questions truthfully. Good luck. Section 5. Avoiding visa application pitfalls. Even with the best intentions, things can go wrong. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. First, double-check every field. Missing information means delays. Second, make sure your application and supporting documents match. Third, provide strong evidence of your financial stability. Fourth, convince the officer you have reasons to return home. Section 6. Tips for a smooth visa approval. Want to increase your chances of getting that visa? It's a process that can be stressful, but with the right approach, you can make it much smoother. Here are some insider tips. First, don't wait until the last minute. Visa processing takes time and rushing can lead to mistakes. Start early and give yourself plenty of time to gather all necessary documents. Second, keep your documents in order. It shows you're prepared and organized, which can make a positive impression on the visa officers. Third, tell the truth, even if it's uncomfortable. Honesty is the best policy. Visa officers are trained to spot inconsistencies, and being truthful can save you from potential issues down the line. And finally, take a deep breath. A calm and confident demeanor goes a long way. When you're calm, you can think more clearly and respond to questions more effectively. A calm and confident demeanor goes a long way. Remember, the visa officers are just doing their job, and they appreciate applicants who are respectful and composed. Getting a US business visa can seem daunting, especially with all the paperwork and requirements. But with careful planning and preparation, you'll be on your way to landing those deals and making those connections. Good luck. Remember, preparation is key, and with these tips, you're setting yourself up for success.